Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the TOEFL speaking test. First, familiarize yourself with the test format, which includes 4 distinct speaking tasks. You'll encounter both independent and integrated questions, each requiring a unique approach. Pay close attention to the time limits for both preparation and speaking, as managing your time effectively is crucial for a strong performance. Practice speaking clearly and naturally, focusing on your pronunciation and intonation. To prepare effectively, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to speaking English. This consistent practice builds fluency and confidence. A powerful technique is to record your responses and then critically listen to them. This helps you pinpoint areas needing improvement, such as pronunciation or grammatical errors. Additionally, expand your vocabulary, especially with academic terms, as the test often covers university-level subjects. A rich vocabulary allows you to express complex ideas more precisely. On test day, effective note-taking during the listening and reading portions is vital for integrated tasks. Organize your thoughts quickly to form a coherent response. When speaking, use transition words and phrases to link your ideas logically, making your speech easy to follow. Maintain a moderate speaking pace, avoid rushing, which can lead to errors, and also avoid excessive hesitation, which might suggest a lack of fluency. Project confidence and clarity throughout your responses. For a final boost, review common TOEFL speaking prompts and practice delivering timed responses. This simulates the actual test environment and helps you manage pressure. Seeking feedback from native English speakers or experienced tutors can provide invaluable insights into your strengths and weaknesses. Their guidance can refine your speaking skills significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals that can make your study sessions more comfortable. Keep practicing, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your target score.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.